Friends, today we continue with the BRS. This is the last type. Actually, there are no types actually, but for our convenient sake, we divide the preparation of bank reconciliation statement from the student's point of view, not practical point of view. From your point of view, we can divide like this. 1. Normal balance is given. 2. Overdraft balance is given. 3. Amending cash book and preparation of bank reconciliation statement. 3. Amending cash book, correcting cash book, and then preparation of BRS. Yes. I told you, this is, we cannot say type, but this is the order of the day. In case of very big concerns, practically, in future, you will be in the finance and accounts department. That time when you prepare BRS, bank reconciliation statement, you will be doing like this only. Because there multiple transactions will be there daily, or say per week or per month. Lot of transactions will be there. When there are lot of transactions, huge transactions, when you prepare BRS, it will take lots of pages. For example, very big concern or medium-sized firms, you are asked to prepare BRS. What you will do? Why there is a difference? You will write like a sum, or you will note it down. So many things, so many transactions. That means many checks deposited, not presented as on the 31st December. Checks issued, because very big concern. Debit items, credit items, so many things will come. Okay, all these you yourself list out. There, practically speaking, when you are an accounts manager or assistant accounts manager, you will not be given a sum. You yourself have to find out all these transactions. Very easy. You compare cash book and passbook and you write all these. Fine. Then, on 31st December, what you will do? So many transactions, then you will prepare BRS. Right. Bank reconciliation statement. If you prepare like this, what will happen? Add less. Because so many transactions are there, no? You have to prepare add, you have to prepare less. Involves lot of pages and pages. Then finally you will arrive at balance as per cash book or balance as per passbook, and you will give it to the manager. Sir, please go through. Manager will laugh at you. What, man? I told you to prepare BRS. You are giving a binded book. Sir, this is how we have to prepare BRS. You will see. As I was taught like this, I prepared. No, friends. Practically, what you should do, as on 31st December, you must prepare a brief statement. Not huge statement. Briefly. Please bring it briefly. I want to know. Manager will ask you. Then what you should do? You must prepare BRS very briefly. How to do it? Practical. This is what you are going to do practically. That means you will ask your attender, go to bank, collect the bank statement, which is otherwise called passbook. Collect bank statement and come. Oh, bank statement is ready. And on the other side, cash book prepared by you is ready. Now, cash book is with you. Bank statement is there. If you correct the cash book, after going through the bank statement, cash book. In cash book, already you would have written certain things. So, balance brought down, debit side to check received and deposited, by check issued. All these you would have written. So many things will come. Now, you have to correct the cash book. Sir, correct, sir. How? All those items which are not appearing in the cash book but appearing in the passbook, if you take that and if you write it, passbook we can throw it off. That is called correcting cash book. Two items which will come in the cash book first. Sir, what are those two items, sir? One, check received and deposited. Check issued will come in cash book first. While amending cash book, what we should do is, all those items which are appearing in the passbook, not appearing in the cash book, you must write. If you write, passbook we can throw it off, because all the items in the passbook you have written in the cash book, so cash book is corrected. See, when you are preparing transactions, what are all the transactions will be there? Check issued, check deposited, debit items, credit items. When I give a problem consists of these. Even while doing practically, all these you must take into account. Already you have written these: check deposit, check issued or check deposited. You want to correct the cash book. If you write these two items here, cash book is corrected. That means, in the amended cash book, all those items which are not entered, enter. Instead of entering full completely, the check issued, check deposited, already we would have entered in the cash book. Already entered. All these have been entered. What are all not entered? These two. Get passbook. Go through items which are all not entered, are right here. Now, you will get amended cash book balance. Amended, changed correct cash book balance. Please understand, these are all transactions. Say, for example, 300 transactions are there. 300 transactions or problems in a big concern. This will involve check issued, check deposited, debit item, credit items, right? Now, leave this. Leave this. Forget. When you prepare cash book, all these will be there already. If you prepare BRS, checks deposited, check issued, debit items, credit items, all these four must be written in BRS, which will consume pages and pages. In order to avoid that, What we can do? Already we have prepared a cash book. I will write. Already we have prepared a cash book. Yes, cash book is there. Check received, check issued will be there. Carried down. Right. Carried down, say 51,700 will come. By using this 51,700 balance, if you prepare BRS, what are all will come? Check issued, sir. Check deposited, sir. Not present, not collected, sir. Then debit items, then credit items, full and full. Now, to present a brief statement to the manager, what you should do? Already cash book is there, where you have entered check issued, check deposited. Now, while correcting cash book, amend, correct cash book, write the corrected cash book by going through the POS book. If you write debit items here, credit items here, because POS book all these things are there, cash book not entered, write all those here, this balance will change. Instead of 51,700, after writing all these, it may come to 30,100. Now take this balance, 31,100 balance. Now prepare BRS. Debit items, credit items will not come because already entered. You have corrected the cash book. This is corrected cash book balance. Cash book complete correct பண்ணிட்டோம். தப்பெல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு மாத்தி எழுதிட்டோம். Now this is amended cash book balance. Amended, changed balance. பார்த்தீங்களா? Changed balance. Now BRS you are preparing. What will come? Check issued but not presented, check deposited but not collected. Only these two things will come. Sir, why debit items and credit items will not come? Already we have corrected. After entering these, you got 30,100. 30,100. After entering, you got 30,100. That's all. Now, debit items, credit items, you need not write because already entered. So, now check issued, check deposited, you arrive at POS book balance will come correctly. You can prepare this to the manager. He also will be satisfied. Oh, correct. This is BRS. You are giving a binded book. Unnecessary. Therefore, I told you, no, it is not a type. Practically, in future, when you go into the accounts job, you will be given this first, prepare BRS. You cannot ask the manager, sir, sum kudunga sir, I will prepare BRS. Someone will not be given. How to prepare BRS then? Cash book, POS book, compare. If you compare, you will be able to write the transactions. That is problem. Check issued, oh, not presented. Check deposited, oh, not collected. All right, okay. Then POS book, debit item enter here, not entered. All right. Credit item entered here, not entered. So you are getting a sum like. So that is practical way of doing the problem. This is also something practical. Cash book, prepare amended cash book and prepare BRS. To put it in a simple manner, if you prepare normal BRS, these 4 items will come. Out of these 4 items, to present BRS in a simple manner, remove 2 items here, write these 2 items here, After entering debit items and credit items, if you prepare BRS, only these two things will be there. So that the purpose of the manager also will get fulfilled. This is what, friends, amending cash book balance here. Yes, this is what the explanation. Now, I will be giving some hints. What are they? What are those hints? Now, or we can say rules. While preparing amended cash book, these are the rules which you should follow. Rules. That is, one, while preparing corrected cash book, this is important, corrected cash book, what you should do. One, all those items entered in passbook, but not in cash book, very important, but not entered in cash book, not entered. What are those items entered in passbook, not entered in the cash book? Debit items. What are they? Debit items. That means postal charges paid based on our instructions, bank paid certain item. Debit items means paid. Postal charges, EMI, electricity charges, all these paid by the bank will appear only in passbook first. B, credit items like dividend received directly, credit items received, interest on investment received, all these items will appear in the passbook first. So, entire. Number 2, mistakes in cash book. That also you must write. Mistakes in cash book. Because you are correcting cash book, no? Correct cash book. கரெக்டா எழுதுப்பா கேஷ் புக்கை. அப்போ மிஸ்டேக்ஸை ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணணும். எஸ், ஆல்தோ மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் இன் கேஷ் புக் கரெக்ட். அந்த மிஸ்டேக்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் ஆல் மிஸ்டேக்ஸ்? ஓவர் காஸ்டிங், அண்டர் காஸ்டிங், cash book debit side return more, or that is credit side return less. All those mistakes we must correct. Mistakes in cash book. That's all, friends. These two things. And a small thing, any mistake in passbook should not be corrected. Mistake in passbook not to be corrected. Passbook mistake, no. Only cash book. That's all, friends. These are the two rules you should remember while preparing amended cash book. Right. When we do the problem, you will be able to understand very easily. Small problem I can give, so we will do it. Yes. So, please, you can write a small problem. On 30th June 1992, bank column of cash book, bank column of cash book of Mr. M showed a credit balance of a credit balance of 11,810. Yes. Following are the information. One by one, A. We are given a balance, credit balance, bank column of cash book. Fine. Now, A. Check deposited. Check deposited, comma, entered in cash book, but not presented for, but not collected and credited. That is the best word. But not collected, but not collected and credited in passbook. Amount 7,500. 7,500. Next, B. Check issued but not presented for payment, but not presented for payment, but not presented for payment. Amount 3,850. 3,850. Next, bank charges entered in passbook but not entered in cash book. Amount 150. Then the next one, payment side of cash book undercast payment side of undercast by rupees 100. Next, interest of rupees 800 received by bank, not entered in cash book, 880. That's all. So, question, prepare amended cash book, amended cash book, and prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 30th June 3692. This is the question. Now friends, okay, this is the sum. Please copy down this problem. Copy down. Now they are asking you to prepare amended cash book. Right. Shall we prepare now? Yes. Amended cash book. First we have to prepare amended cash book. Amended cash book. Amended means corrected. Mistakes இல்லாத எழுதுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். Without mistakes. Amended cash book. Bank column only. Not at all cash column. Bank column. Always we use prepare bank column. Bank column only we reconcile. Okay, cash book, this side receipts, this side payments, receipts payments account. Right, now bank column of cash book, bank column, see that is bank column. Here bank column, bank column showed credit balance, that means credit balance, by balance brought down, credit balance, therefore it is OD balance, credit balance 11,810, 11,810. Okay, now following are the information. Okay, now one by one we will see whether this will come in amended cash book or not. Balance we have written. Check deposited, entered in cash book. Oh, cash book entered, already entered. So shall we enter? No, don't enter. Why? Because entered already, already entered. Check deposited. That means we receive a check, we deposit in the bank. Once you receive a check, you write in the cash book immediately. When a check is received, first entry will be made in the cash book only, cash book. Entered. Okay, check entered, check deposited, entered in cash book. Right. But not collected, but not collected and credited in passbook 7,500. Whatever it is, check deposited, entered in cash book, so we need not enter. Next, check issued but not presented. Check issued means, oh, check issued, payment side, check issued, that means entered, entered. Once you check issue a check, you will enter here. So check issued, that also will not come in cash book because already it has come in the cash book. Entered. Fine. What we have to see is not entered. That is what important. Not, see here, not entered. not entered in cash book. This is very important. So, next, bank charges entered in passbook, not entered in cash book. So, it is very clear, sir, not entered. Bank charges, where will you enter? Payment side. So, by bank charges, 150. Yes, bank charges, payment item, cash book, passbook debit. That means expenses, payments, bank charges. Oh, bank charges already entered. Over payment side of cash book under cost. Payment side, cash book under cost. Shall we enter? Yes, we have to enter because, see here, mistakes in cash book correct. It is a mistake in cash book. Payment side under cost error. Under cost means written less. Payment side written less. So it is a mistake. So correct the mistake. So enter by under cost. By under cost. Because mistake in the cash book 100. Because corrected cash book. Next, interest of rupees 800 received by bank, not entered in cash book. Oh, not entered. Interest received means receipt side. So, therefore, to interest received. Interest received 880. Interest received. Okay, that's all. Everything entered. Now, sum over. Now, close cash book balance. Yes. Amended cash book. Balance now, this side is more. $12,060. This side is less. Balance carried down. $11,180 brought down. 11,180. So what balance it is? Overdraft. Because carried down does not mean balance. Brought down. Whichever side brought down comes, that side only balance shows. Credit balance. That means amended cash book also credit balance only. Now we got credit balance. Okay. Now prepare BRS. You can give it to the manager in a simple manner instead of preparing huge sum. Right, sir? Amended cash book. Now prepare BRS. Bank reconciliation statement of M as on 3691. 3691. That's all. Yeah, 92. Sorry, 92. Over. Right. Now prepare BRS. What we should do? Yes. Body balance as per cash book given. Which balance we have to write? This is old balance. This is corrected balance. So, corrected balance only will come. This is corrected balance. Yes, OD balance. Corrected balance. So, 11,110. Question also, prepare amended cash book and find out corrected cash book balance and prepare BRS. So, therefore, corrected cash book balance, 11,110. So, therefore, after entering all this, you get the balance. Therefore, when you prepare BRS, all these will not come. Why? Already entered. All these will not come. Already entered. Now look at the problem. When you look at the problem, what are all must be BRS. Now BRS consists of what? Generally, BRS consists of four things. One, check issue, check deposited, debit items, credit items. Now two items entered, debit items and credit items entered. Therefore, only two will come. Now, why there is a difference? Because check deposited, sir, not collected, sir. Check issued, sir, not presented for payment. That's all. Because of these two. Sir, what about these? Already we have entered and found out the corrected cash book balance. Say, right. Now, therefore, okay, add less. As usual, we must proceed, friends. Now, whatever balance, OD, normal, don't bother. Proceed as it is. 1. Check deposited, entered in cash book. 2 questions we must ask. Which book it will come first? What happened to balance? Now, which book it will come first? Cash book. Check deposited, cash book balance increase. Passbook same. Now question, which book you want? Passbook. Passbook we want. To get passbook, what we should do? Cash book less. Easy. So check, sorry, sorry. Again friends, overdraft. Now cash book, passbook. Entered in cash book, increased. Passbook, same. Which book you want? Cash. Which book you want? Passbook you want. Therefore, less. Fine. Because it is a OD problem, add. Add. Check deposited but not collected. Because I am not changing anything. Because there is overdraft, I am not making any changes. Just last minute change, that's all. Collected but not collected and credited. So amount is 7,500. 7,500 over. Next one. Check issued but not presented. That is why there is a difference. So cash book, passbook, check issued will come in cash book first. What happened to balance? Reduced. Passbook, same. Which book you want? Passbook. Therefore, add. Because it is overdraft, less. Check issued but not presented for payment, but not presented for payment. That is 3,850. 3,850. Then bank charges entered in passbook. Oh, that is already entered and we got it. Already entered in amended cash book, already entered. All those items entered in the amended cash book will not come here. Reason, we are using this balance. After entering all these, amended cash book balance is coming. We are using that. So therefore, answer same. OD balance as per passbook. So add 7,500 less 3,850. That's all answer. 14,830 is the answer. So friends, take the next problem from the following information. Make necessary corrections in cash book. This will be given like this in the exam. Make necessary corrections in the cash book and prepare BRS, bank reconciliation statement, as on 31/12/92. Yes. Now, bank column of cash book shows a debit balance of 922. Right. Now, one checks amounting to 1,260 issued before 31st December and entered in cash book but not presented in bank. Over. Next. A dividend warrant rupees 76 was paid directly into bank but nothing appear in cash book. Number 3. There was no entry in cash book for club membership subscription club membership subscription rupees 20 paid by bank 4. Bank charges rupees 2 was entered twice in cash book. 4, 5. A check from debtor dishonored prior to 31/12 not appearing in cash book. 146. That's all, friends. That's all. So date 31/12. These two rules you have to remember. While amending cash book, first one, all those items which are entered in the POS book but not entered in the cash book must be returned. That means debit items and credit items. Second one, any mistake in the cash book must be corrected. That's all. Two things, very easy to remember. In the amended cash book, simply we can say not entered will come. Not entered, please write, because we are changing the correct cash book. Now friends, see here, bank column of the cash book, bank column of the cash book, fine. That is debit balance, very important. Therefore, to balance brought down 922 over. So normal balance. But one thing, friends, maximum we must practice. You will get it. Whenever you find free time, if you prepare BRS, prepare this. You will find it very easy. Definitely we will get a definite sure problem in the exam and sure marks. We will get it. Now one by one we will go through. While going through, please be careful when we write amended cash book, not entered in cash book, right. Entered in cash book, leave it. Fine, because already entered. After entering all those items, only we got this balance. Right. Now, check amounting to 1260. Whenever there is a check check C will be entered in the cash book. That is what we have assumed. 99% check entered in the cash book. Check will be entered in the cash book first. So checks amounting to 1260 issued before, entered in cash book but not presented to bank. Therefore will not come. Entered. So I can entered will not come. Then a dividend warrant paid directly into bank, not appearing in cash book. Correct only, no? Dividend warrant, credit item, directly entered in the bank, not appeared. Credit item means receipt. So therefore, to dividend warrant. These are all credit items. Dividend warrant, credit item. Dividend warrant, interest on investment. I told you know all those. Credit items, dividend warrant. It is 76. Entered, sir. 76 entered. There was no entry in cash book. Appo we must write for club membership paid by the bank. Bank paid. But it was not entered in the cash book. Club membership subscription paid. Appo by payment. By club membership fees. So, club membership fees 20 rupees. So, write 20 over. Next, bank charges entered twice in cash book. Oh, entered twice in the cash book. Oh, cash book la entered, sir. So, we need not write. Cash book la entered twice. 2 times they have entered. Mistake in cash book, correct. 2 times entered. So it is a mistake in the cash book, correct. That means bank charges. 2 times they entered. Only 1 time, friend, they must enter 2 times. 2 times entered. Appo, idu okay. Now 1 more time entered. How to correct this? This is nothing but overcasting on the credit side, payment side. How to correct? If you write here, bank charges entered twice. If you enter 1 time here, this will get corrected. See friends, or otherwise I will write like this. Actually, 2 rupees have to come. 4 rupees has come. How to bring down to 2 only? 2 here. Upper 2 minus 2. Therefore, entered twice. Entered. Anyhow, we are going to see rectification of error. If the overcasting means give opposite effect. 4 rupees entered. How to bring down to 2 if you write? That will get cancelled. So mistake. Entered. Check from debtor, dishonored, not appearing in cash book. Fine. Check not appearing in cash book. Cash book la ezhudala. Check from a debtor. Where will you enter, friends? First check from a debtor. To check from debtor. That means check received from debtor. From debtor we will receive the check. Creditor we will issue the check. So check we would have entered here. Okay. How much amount? 146. 146. We would have written like this. Dishonored. Tirumi vandachi. Appo where will you enter? Credit side. Not entered. It is a mistake. Therefore, by check received dishonored, not entered 146. This is the actual. This for sample I told. 140. Check from a debtor dishonored. See, check from a debtor already entered here. After entering here only we got this balance. Fine. Now, dishonored, it must be written here only. Here, dishonored. Even you would have studied, received dishonored, issued dishonored will come here. So, not entered, enter. 146, entered, friends. That's all. So, therefore, find out balance. Thousand balance carried down. $834 carried down, brought down. That means debit balance. That means 834 debit balance. Okay, friends. Now I think you would have copied down. Right. Now shall we prepare BRS? Yes. We will prepare BRS now. What we should do? Balance. Debit balance. Balance as per cash book. 834. Right. Now come here. All those entered in the cash book do not enter. Check amounting to 1,260 issued, entered in cash book, but not presented for payment. Yes, entered in the cash book, not presented for payment. That is why there is a difference. Will come. Right. So, checks amounting to 1,260, because of that only difference. So, that will come in BRS. Cash book, passbook, check issued. When a check is issued, cash book will come down, passbook same. Which book you want? Passbook. Therefore, add. That's all. It is not a overdraft problem. So, add. Add. Check issued, but not presented for payment. How much amount? 1260. 1260. Over. Next, dividend entered in the cash book, amended cash book. No entry in cash book. Oh, entered. Bank charges, mistake entered. Check, dishonor entered. That's all. So therefore, only one item, friends. Now, 4 balance as per passbook. Answer, friends. Answer. Please copy down. So that's all, friends. So we are completing bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation, I think you would have understood nicely. Any doubt you can ask later in the next class. So we are winding up BRS. Thank you, friends.